Hey guys, welcome back to It's Simply Ariel.
I'm Ariel.
And today we are headed to
the movies.
We headed to the movies, y'all. We didn't make it yesterday. We supposed to went yesterday, but we kind of got out the house late because somebody's hair was just, ooh, y'all, it was a mess. It was a hassle.
But today, my hair is looking bomb cute.
Girl, please. Alright, y'all, so y'all already know how it's finna go down. We had to get on first of all and let y'all know what's what.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
We'll just get back on when we get to our location, destination. And yeah, that's that. Bye. Peace.
Peace. We out. Peace.
And what is that? Okay, come on. Yes, you gotta watch your cars. Y'all, look what we done did. We'll just scoop them in there. Y'all, I just spent $50.
Like this.
Where you want to sit? Just go down there. We chilling, y'all.
So listen
Movie
to your
haven't started yet.
drink up.
Try not to talk loud. Hold it.
Movie fans can't get enough of America's #1 movie theater membership, AMC Stuff's
Yeah.
A-List. See up to 3 movies every week and get all the extras with no extra fees. All our biggest and best.
Much later.
Get one. Oh! Get over there.
Did you get it?
Yeah, I got it. Oh! Wait. It's a
Oh.
It's a pig ducky. Yay.
What's up, y'all? We're back from the movies. Ariel, how do you feel about the movie?
I felt that the movie was amazing and awesome, and I thought that it gave me an idea to get me a puppy and like train it to help everyone.
I don't know about all that, but we'll see you guys in the next one.